Hi everybody, welcome to Let's Blow Off Some Steam at the Santa Maria Public Library. This is a science, technology, engineering, arts, and math program just for preschoolers aged 3 to 5. Today we are going to talk all about magnetism. What is magnetism? Magnetism is the invisible force that pushes and pulls. Magnets are made of metals. Only certain metals are attracted to magnets. Can you name a metal or two that is attracted to magnets? If you said iron or steel, you are correct. Those are two of the most common metals that you can find that are attracted to magnets. It's like your refrigerator, your car, and paper clips. Those are all magnetic. You can stick to a magnet and they can stick onto them. Or, you can pick up paper clips off the ground with magnets. And each magnet has two poles. They have a north pole and a south pole. And have you ever heard the term of opposites attract? That's just like magnets. So if you have a north pole and a south pole and you put them together, they'll stick. They'll go right together. But if you have a north pole and a north pole and you try to put them together, you won't be able to get them to stick together. They'll just push each other away from each other. So I have some magnets that will demonstrate that for you because, again, magnets are an invisible force. So you can't actually see magnetism, but you can see it actually working. So this magnet here, as you can see, I have 4 magnets on a stick, and in between each one, you can see you can't see the force, but you can see that they are the same poles because I cannot get them to stick together. So you can't actually see the force, but you can see it working. So if I take this magnet and I flip it over, you'll watch it connect because I switched the poles, which means I have opposite poles, and so they are attracted to each other and they connect. So I can do that again. See how they just jump to each other? There we go. And this base here is also a magnet. So you can still see that invisible force of it pushing those other magnets away. So at home, if you want to do a little experiment to check out magnetism, you can go grab a refrigerator magnet or if you just have a regular magnet at home, you can use those. I have a wand magnet, and I have a couple things I'm going to try that you guys can also guess to see if they are magnetic. So the first thing I'm going to try is a nut. Nice big thing. Do you think this is magnetic? Let's find out. Whoa, it is. Okay, what else should I try? Let's try a Lego. Do you think it's magnetic? No, because Legos are made of plastic. Say what? Won't stay. How about an eraser? Do you think this is magnetic? Let's try. Nope, not magnetic. Let's try a bolt. Do you think this is going to be magnetic? Let's see. It is. That is magnetic because this is a metal that's attracted to magnets. And one more test. So I have a pair of scissors here. Do you think this is magnetic? Let's see. It is. But let's check the whole thing. So I just checked the scissors, the cutting part. Now let's check the handle. Do you think the handle is magnetic? Okay, I'm going to let it go so these scissors might fall. It did. So the scissors, one part of it is made of metal, which is here, and the handle is made out of plastic. So when you're doing experiments like this, it's good to try the whole thing because you might find a part of it that's not magnetic, just like these scissors. And also a fun thing to do is you can clean your room up by checking everything that's magnetic. You can have 2 buckets, one that says magnetic and the other one that says not magnetic, and just take your magnet and check it, and whatever's magnetic, stick it in that box. And if it's not, stick it in the other box. Then your whole room is clean after a fun day of checking if it's magnetic or not. But there's also one other way you can also play with magnets. Is I have 2 horseshoe magnets. And with these, you can actually feel the force. So you can't see it, but you can feel the invisible force of magnetism. So when I put these together, let's see. I can feel them come together, which means I have two opposite poles and they're attracted to each other, and I can feel them coming together. So if I switch this around, so now I have the same poles, and what do you think is going to happen? They're going to repel each other. So watch. I cannot get them to stick. No matter how hard I try, I still cannot get them to stick together. So if I really want to make them stick, I'll just switch it so they have opposite poles. And there you go. There it is, the magnets sticking together. So that is all about magnets. And what is magnetism? An invisible force that pushes and pulls. If you're interested in learning more about magnetism, after this video, I'll have a list of books that you guys can read that will give you more information on magnets and magnetism. All right, thanks for joining me for Let's Blow Off Some Steam. I will see you next time. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe, and I miss you. I miss you all. Bye.